Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today, we'll walk through connecting Autopilot with your TikTok account. Any integrations that you connect with your Blaze Autopilot account enables auto-scheduling for all of the posts that get created for that specific platform. Keep this in mind as you decide which platforms to connect to your Blaze Autopilot workspace. To connect platforms to your Autopilot workspace, go to your brand kit. Locate the integrations category and then click New Integration. Locate the TikTok card and then click Connect to start the connection process. Something to note, if you haven't logged into your TikTok account from your computer already, you may need to do so before proceeding. TikTok shows you a list of permissions that you're authorizing Blaze to have. I recommend keeping all of these on. Click Continue to proceed. You'll now return to Blaze, and if you have multiple TikTok accounts, Blaze will ask you to select the one that you want to connect to. Make your selection, then click Connect One Account to proceed. You're now returned to the integrations card in your Autopilot account, but notice the TikTok card has now been moved up into the connected category, letting you know that everything is working correctly. Now, when you select a post that Autopilot created for TikTok from your calendar, you'll notice that it's automatically set to auto-scheduled, something we talked about earlier. Now, any TikTok content that Autopilot creates for you will automatically inherit this status and then subsequently go live at that designated date and time. That's all there is to setting up TikTok to work with your Autopilot workspace. If this video helped you at all, be sure to give it a like so others can find it on YouTube just as easily as you did. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.